Dude, if he actually hits this shit, I'm gonna fucking, I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Hey, if you die, we'll rush to the hospital.
He's gonna be missing a few fingers.
Hey, tell the camera that you're doing this on your own free will. He's making me do this.
He's being held against his will.
Do you really want me to? Are you holding it up there? Yeah.
Alright.
I'm moving the fuck out of the way.
You do it fast.
Holy shit.
Take it. Actually, no, take your time.
Can you do it fast?
I'm scared to look at you.
Why? This guy is
Because
gonna
there's
kill
gonna be
you.
an arrow coming at me.
Don't flinch.
Here's the problem. If you flinch,
You're dead.
you will have an arrow through your hand. If I go anywhere, it's down. Okay.
Ow, fucking ear. Just bit my fucking foot. Ow, shit.
Yeah.
Oh, my fucking ears popped.
Holy shit.
Holy shit, dude.
I'm scared and I'm not even the one.
I don't fucking.
That's fucking scary.
Did he hit it?
Did it hit it?
He hit it and knocked it out of my hand.
Dude.